Today, let's learn 100 must-know phrasal verbs in British English. Part B. Speak up. Please speak up. I can't hear you. Line up. We lined up outside the cinema. Calm down. Calm down. Everything's fine. Cheer up. Cheer up. Tomorrow will be better. Go away. The dog went away. Come back from. She came back from holiday. Get along. They get along well. Get through. I finally got through to customer service. Try out. She tried out the new paint set. Speak out. She spoke out against injustice. Work out. I work out at the gym. Figure out. I figured out the answer. Bring up. He brought up an interesting point. Bring in. The manager brought in a new policy. Clean up. She cleaned up the kitchen after dinner. Lay off. The company laid off 10 staff. Move on. Let's move on to the next item. Look forward to. I look forward to the trip. Cut down. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Look around. We looked around the museum all afternoon. Catch up. I need to catch up on emails. Back up. Please back up your files. Log in. Log into your account. Log out. Don't forget to log out. Sign up. I signed up for the course. Fill out. Fill out this application form. Hand in. Please hand in your report. Point out. She pointed out the mistake. Go over. Let's go over the plan. Take part in. I took part in the meeting. Come up with. He came up with a solution. Set aside. I set aside some money for holiday. Call off. They called off the event. Carry out. They carried out a survey. Look into. I'll look into that problem. Set off. We set off at 6 a.m. Drop off. I'll drop off the parcel at the post office. Check on. Check on the baby. Please. Count on. You can count on me. Deal with. She deals with complaints. Wake up to. I woke up to birds singing this morning. Fall behind. He fell behind in work. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Keep up. Keep up the good work. Look back. I looked back on my childhood. Pass out. He passed out from the heat. Pull over. The police told him to pull over. Get together. We got together for lunch at the weekend. Throw up. She threw up after dinner. Take up. He took up painting during the holidays. Fantastic job. You've learned 100 must-know phrasal verbs in Part A and B video. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.